John the Diesel Man here from Nydiesels.com. What we're showing you here today is we're putting a fire ringed head on the engines that we've been rebuilding. If you want your engine redone, or if you need a cylinder head for your engine, let us know. We'll gladly take care of you. What we've been doing lately, and the reason why you haven't seen a lot of trucks on our website, is we've been building trucks for people on request. And this is one of those trucks. Actually, we got a multitude of trucks going on right now where we're building the whole entire truck for these customers. And these are the heads that we're doing. This is an industrial injection head with fire ring grooves cut in it, with fire rings, and our fire ring head gasket. We're just assembling this one here today, and still got a long way to go on this engine. But I just wanted to show you what was going on here. At Nydiesels.com, you know, we don't mess around. This is what we do. Same thing here. Complete rebuilds on these engines. And so we just wanted to show you what we do at our shop. When you buy a truck from us, you're guaranteed to know that you got a truck from somebody who knows what we do. We've been doing this for 20 years. And also want you guys to know I'm launching the new website here very soon, where you guys will be able to buy all of these parts off me. And my prices are cheaper than any other diesel website out there on the internet. I will guarantee it. I sell more. I have more companies that I can sell for than anybody else in the diesel industry. And they're all really good friends of mine, whether it's BD, ATS, industrial injection, MBRP, ARP, on and on and on and on and on. I mean, I've been in this a long, long time, guys, longer than most people even been driving diesel trucks, period. So, but anyway, if you need anything done, if you need work done, give me a call, 607-423-7729. We'll gladly rebuild your engines, take care of your truck. Whatever you need done to your truck, let us do it for you. We're a New York State registered repair shop. We're happy to do your work for you. If you want your old second gen completely redone or partly redone, or just the engine or just the transmission or suspension, whatever it is, let us know. You know, and I'll just take you over here really quick. We're still in the beginning of this, but you know, this right here is a truck that we're doing for a customer right now. And as you can see, you know, we got brand new springs, Bilstein shocks, BD control arms, Moog wheel bearings. This has got an XRF front end, all kinds of stuff. We got a PSC steering box and Borgeson steering shaft. We got a long way to go on this truck as well, guys. We're constantly working. This is what we do. Industrial injection, you know, fuel pumps. At Nydiesels.com, we're meticulous with what we do. Our work is the best. And listen, you can go get a truck from anywhere else. You can have anybody else work on your truck. Let me tell you something. People call me every day saying they sent their truck to another shop, they worked on it, they messed it up, and they end up coming to my shop. So before you make a decision to go to somewhere else, why don't you just start with the best? 607-423-7729. That new website will be up soon. And some merchandise for everybody's been asking me for years. John the Diesel Man, New York Diesels, Diesel Army, merchandise and other stuff. I will have that up for you. And if you want to call and talk to me about your project, or if you need something, call me anytime. Keep your turbos spooling. Yeah, yeah.